Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK is just chopping around still in this support region here. I mean, we have seen reactions to the micro support area, nothing convincing yet. And in this video, we want to talk about what we need to see to confirm that this low in wave 4 has formed. Now, I don't want to talk about the entire structure again, but let's take a look at this structure here from the 8th of January low. We've had this wave 1 to the upside, which peaked here on the 17th of January. Then a wave 2 to the downside, bottomed on the 25th, 26th of January in a support region. These two actually did, and they reversed where they needed to. Then a third wave to the upside here, which peaked at around $20.90, which was my minimum target for this for this entire move up actually. So it's good to see that we've already reached it, but I think still one more high is a reasonable expectation. It doesn't need it, however, and below $16.78, I have to assume that we've topped already in wave 5 of 1. So the entire move to the upside is likely finished. I can really only suggest that below 16.78, that would be a good indication that this is actually happening. And the actual official formal invalidation point is down here at $13.50. Why is that? Because in a diagonal pattern, if this move up is an ending diagonal, then it is the wave 2 low. That's the invalidation point. I rather see it as an impulse, however. In this case, already a break below the wave 1 high at $16.40 is going to be the invalidation point. But the thing is, it could always unfold as a diagonal. But then any break, honestly, also here below 16.78 is already going to tell us that it's most likely not going to unfold to the upside and that it actually already topped. So what do we need to see to confirm that a low is in? Well, first of all, what's the target? Next target to the upside, $23.78, possibly even $29.25 in this wave 5 of 1. And then a move to the upside here should take us obviously above the third wave high. So above $20.90. And looking at the nano structure here, as I said, it needs to hold this 38.2 retracement, and further continuation to the upside could send the price out of the price channel to the upside. This descending wedge ideally, obviously, is broken to the upside. That would be, I think, an early signal. And you can see that the market is currently trying to fight here with that 23.6 FIB retracement. It's quite interesting. We dipped into this area. Market tried to reverse here, failed. Trying again now. And it comes across resistance at the 23.6 retracement. So a break above that level, coupled with a break out of this channel, and a break above the B wave high will help to determine that wave 4 is bottomed, because these B wave tops, for example, when they are crossed, it typically suggests that the correction is finished. And then next resistance is that $20.90 level, and then I already mentioned the next targets. So there isn't much more to say. It just doesn't, the potential is there in the chart that is turning around there. It's just the momentum hasn't switched back on yet. But this could happen from one moment to the other, which is why I typically try to make you aware about those reversal areas, even when the price is still on its way into the area. Of course, I don't know if the reversal will happen. It happens very often, however, in these areas. Here, as you can see here, because, you know, this is just Fibonacci magic at work. But the bottom line is people can watch it also in their own time. But yeah, it's looking okay. It's just not really giving us a clear signal that the wave 4 has bottomed. Ideally, it has formed a low. Ideally, it doesn't even go down to 16.78, because then the price would have broken out or would break out to the downside of this ascending price channel. This would not have bullish implications. That's my update. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.